Good morning, all members of the club Trading Hunters. Big up. Welcome to another video of chart analysis. And now the thing that we were just talking about again. Yeah, will we see all-time highs? Was this bullish just a bullish, or was it a reaction? Or further, was it even a correction? It was a correction. And there are many types of correction. Bitcoin might have experienced a flat correction, an extended flat correction, and Ethereum might have experienced a true flat correction. And what about Sol, Doge, and Sui? Maybe they have faced the zigzag correction. So we want to know about those and what is happening in the market. Is it about the FOMC or what is it about? So yeah, those are the things I'll be researching on. And also I want to pinpoint that I've been doing some research on some meme coins. Some of those meme coins have great possible potential. Some of them crash and die. Some of them pump. So this strategy is about finding where the momentum is at in the market and directing our attention to that particular place. It's risky, it's very risky, because the strategy involves shorting a pullback of the aggressive upward move, just short like in the resistance area. But I've been experimenting, and one in three are dangerously bringing profits, but they are dangerously changing their values. So meaning, one example is this rare, whereby as you can see I am creating $1,000 and even the price never moved a lot. But the danger is from the daily time frame, the liquidity zone is just there, isn't it? So we still have a lot of research to conduct on these types of trades, but these ones, they are very risky. They need very low amounts of money. They can do 4 hours trades, you can do 1 hour trade, can do 30 minutes trades, and with very little amount, say 1% of your account or 0.5% of your account. Yeah, so far we are just back testing the strategy of pullbacks. It's a very hard strategy. Like this one, rare. This is rare. It just pumped. So we measured from here to there. We looked at the pump, and then we waited for the reaction to the pullback, the start of the pullback. I entered the position and were profits. This is ILV. It's another example. After a massive pump, we waited for the resistance at $23. So our psychology is like something was $11, pumping all the way to $23. Must have a comeback, isn't it? Must have a pullback or a retrenchment. So what we do, we just measure this leg, measure the leg, and what to do from the Fibonacci level, Our target is between the 50 and the 61% Fibonacci retrenchment. That is where our take profit should be. And this is not that the coin cannot fall beyond. It can, but this is the main strategy of pullbacks. It's educational, and it also focuses our energy not only on trending markets but also on pullbacks. And pullbacks are a thing, and if you can master pullbacks, I think we can become great traders. So Lviv is one of those, and we have Rare, and we have Zora the Explorer, minus 10. So from my last analysis on Zora, what we did in our position, we placed a limit order just above in case of the wave 3, which never happened. We are still on the support level, and if we can measure the Fibonacci of this reaction, this B reaction, we see it still surfaces above the 61.8, meaning that prices can come back to the support and form a double bottom before going higher. So we will look at that also. So that strategy is very dangerous, and we will continue doing the research on those strategies. So this is our take on what is to come in terms of assets. This is a short-term, you can call it short-term ranged strategy, where you're just day trading or something. And the important thing about day trading is you should never be against the moves. Once you are against the moves, you are wrecked. That's the disadvantage of trading volatilities, because now you don't have a chance to recover. And those moves, since you are in the lower time frame, some of them can wreck your account very easily. So yeah, but more research to come. So this level will still be validated if prices react to the 61.8 Fibonacci 0.059. It can still be validated if prices goes to a little bit further, and it is still valid when it comes to 0.52 for a double bottom before taking all-time highs. So for the position, I recommend placing a limit order at 0.95 in case it takes a path like so. Maybe it can go like this, like that. It can maybe go like double bottom, something like that. So I place my limit orders, and I place my first limit order here, which will push up the liquidity further up, so that this break above here, if it can happen anytime, we are covered. Insurance. This is a insurance. It's insurance. Yes. So this level is insurance. We could have taken profit at this level, but I don't think so, because this I would have taken it, but I wanted to prolong my research on this asset, and so we can have a sell order over there. This region is our buy order in the terms of limit order. So here you can say this is the limit order. It's the what? It's a sell order. Okay, so you can take it to 14, make it red because it's a sell order. Okay, at that level, and then at this level here, you can have what? We can have now the buy order. The buy order. No, it's the take profit. Take profit 1. Okay, it's green. Like that. And so take profit 1. Limit order, sell order. So take profit. What is take profit? Take profit is what? It is take profit. Okay, let me say 1. It is a buy order. It's a buy order like that. Yes. Of course, we can have another scenario whereby it plunges. So maybe something like this. So 1 resistance, test, reaction, forming a head and shoulder towards the downside. Towards the downside. So at this level, at this support level here, you can have two things. You can have one thing only. Yeah, we can have two things, and those two things, all of them are green. So we can have take profit 2, which again it's a buy order. Take profit 2, it's a buy order, and then you see this one is at the 61.8. This is the golden ratio. I can name it here, the golden ratio. And 61.8% Fibonacci. Okay, the golden ratio. And again here we can look to place long. Okay, yeah. So yeah, this is not long here, just shorts. Like so. So yeah, so that is Zora the Explorer. We are exploring Zora the Explorer, and we want to see the levels, and these are the levels I've indicated, and they are good levels, and these are very good lessons also. Use the chart as a canva anyway. So yeah, so let me do a video on Zora itself, then I'll do a video on Lviv, and there's another one, there's Proof. I've been looking at Proof. I don't know if I've created a position. It's very new. This is the 4 hours time frame of proving something. It's saying prove. Sankey's network introduces the idea of a global distributed proving cluster co-designed with SPN and powered by a competitive action mechanism called proof contents to dynamically expand the proving capacity of the world. The network provides a unified platform for users to submit proof requested and for anyone in the world to proving capacity. Okay. Market cap 27,277,600,000 FDV. Fully diluted valuation 1,423,600,000. Circulating supply 195 million. Total supply 1 billion. Maximum supply 1 billion. Okay, not a bad. So this proof has just been launched in Bybit's perpetuals, and it is crazy. It is pumping. What we want to see is a resistance, and we can draw a path for this asset. So I will also do a video on this one. So this one is very interesting. It can be like, right now it's at 1 point. Maybe it can go like seriously, like down kabisa, like to the 0.00 something level, you can imagine. And to give you that exhibit, I will do what? I will show you like Lviv. Was it Lviv or what? Zora the Explorer. You can see Zora the Explorer. When it launched, it lost almost 1,000% of its value. So it went minus 1,000 or something, because from the day it launched to where it is it Zora really? No, it's not Zora. Yeah, Zora is looking incredible, boy. Look at that from the daily. So wait, let me do a video on Zora.